Firstly, welcome all SYBCom students in our YouTube lecture. So, today we are going to learn cost and verse accounting paper first. In this subject, we consider today first chapter, that is basics of costing. So, in the last lecture we are considered cost, costing, cost accountancy, cost accountancy concepts. So, in this lecture we are going to learn meaning of financial accounting and other things related with financial accounting. Before that, I request to all like this video, subscribe this video and click on notification channel icon button. So, you can get new videos of cost and verse accounting and comment your name on comment box on YouTube. So, we go forward. Meaning of financial accounting. Financial accounting is the process of recording, summarizing and reporting the myriad of transactions resulting from business operations over a period of time. What is mean of financial accounting? Financial accounting is a kind of process in which we recording all transactions of the business. While running our business, there are numbers of transactions happen in the business. For example, purchasing material, selling material, marketing, say paid salary, paid wages, like this. So, these all transactions record in financial accounting. After recording of transactions, summarizing that transactions and then that transactions journalize, then prepare ledgers, then trial balance and afterward financial statements also prepared in the financial accounting. So, in particular time period, that time period is 1st April to 31st March, that 12 months we prepare financial statements. These transactions are summarized in the preparation of financial statements, means after recording or summarizing of transactions, we prepare some financial statements. Examples of financial statements or some statements are including in financial statements. That statements are balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statements likewise. So, these are all statements included in financial statements that record the company's operating performance over a specified period. Means these all statements give the information about operating performance of the business and economical position of the business. So, for finding out profit or finding out incomes or finding out expenditures or losses in the business, we prepare financial statements. So, we get results of the business, profit or loss. So, the main purpose behind framing or preparing financial statements, that purpose is to find out profit or loss of the business, to record all the incomes of the business, all the expenses of the business, then finding out the economical position of the business, what is our financial position, which kind of assets we have and how much liability we have. So, these all records maintained by financial statements, or this all information we receive, we get through these all financial statements. So, financial statements is a kind of recording of transactions related with business with specified period of time and then finding out profit or loss or economical position of the business. So, this is called as financial accounting. Firstly, we considered limitations of financial accounting or demerits of financial accounting. First, limitations of financial accounting is of historical nature. This is most important limitations of financial accounting, because all the transactions already happened in the business after we record that transactions and then we maintain or prepare financial statements. So, therefore, in financial accounting all the transactions are happened in past, and that transactions we record in the current position or current situation. So, net effect of transactions are recorded in financial accounting which has happened in past. I already told you that all transactions happen in the past, and that transactions record in the financial accounting. These accounts is just post-mortem of all events of business in past. Means after happening events, after happening transactions, after taking place of transactions, that transactions happen in past, and then we consider, or 1 minute, after happening of transactions, then we consider the transactions and finding out profit and loss. These records does not help for future planning and other managerial decisions. Means financial accounting records or information not helpful to the management for future planning for the business and other managerial decisions. Means in future we increase or decrease our production, making plan, framing plan, and some other managerial decisions we cannot take on the basis on the depend on financial accounting. So we have limitations because financial accounting not providing information for future planning and other managerial decisions. Financial accounting shows the profitability of business, but it is failure to tell that is it good or bad. In the last slide we consider that financial accounting find out profit of the business or loss of the business. Means financial accounting only finding out profitability of the business, but this profit or loss, good or bad, this discussion or analysis not given by the financial accounting. Financial accounting is also failure to know the reasons of low profitability positions. Suppose in our business we going into loss, so that loss or failure of the business or loss of the business, so behind of that loss or behind failure of the business there is that reasons not given by financial accounting. So financial accounting fails to given reason or analysis behind failure or loss of the business. So financial accounting in historical nature, because all the transactions, all the events happened in the business, and that past events record in the financial accounting and finding out profit or loss of the business, and that information, profit or loss or financial accounting information, does not help to the management for planning, future planning, framing strategy, framing policy, or other managerial decisions. So financial accounting not helpful to the management. Second limitations of the financial accounting is financial accounting deals with overall profitability of the business. Means financial accounting records all the transactions of the business with particular specified time of the time period. In financial accounting, separate product wise expenditures or cost are not recorded. So therefore financial accounting provides only overall profitability of the business, but not each product profitability find out by the financial accounting. So accounts of business are made by a way which shows only overall profitability. So financial accounting shows only overall profitability of the business, total profitability of the business. So in one business there are lot of types of products. Each product profitable or not profitable, this information not provided by financial accounting. It does not shows net profit per product. Means financial accounting not maintain records of one product's expenditures or income. Means each product have profit, have loss. This information not given by financial accounting. Or job or department profitable or not profitable, this information not provided by financial accounting. Thus, to find difficult to all activities which do not give profit. So it creates inefficiency in business activities. So financial accounting does not finding out efficiency of each product, each activity, each department, each job. So therefore, we cannot find out reasons behind inefficiency of the business. Third limitations, absence of full disclosure of facts. In financial accounting, we record only those activities and transactions which we can show or describe in money. Means financial accounting shows only those information or activities or transactions we can show on or describe in money. There are many other facts of business which are non-financial and non-monetary. Means financial accounting shows only information or activities which are related with only finance or money. There are many other things which are some other facts which are not shown in the money or in financial activities. So there are some other facts which are not shown proper in the money measurement. There are many other facts of business which are non-financial and non-monetary. So this non-monetary or non-financial activities of the business not shown by the financial accounting. Example like efficient management of the business, efficient or non-efficient, this information not given by the financial accounting. Demand of product of firm, how much demand of the product for our business, this demand analysis not given by the financial accounting. Good relations in industry. Good relation in the industry is most important thing according point of view of the business. So our business have good relations with industries or not, this information also not provided by the financial accounting. Good working environments in the business or in the production departments or in overall business, good working conditions or good working environment is necessary, because suppose we have good working conditions or good working environment, our employees efficiency, working capacity also increased, productivity also increased. So good working environment is most important thing, and our working environment good or bad, that information not provided by financial accounting. Number 4, financial reports are interim report of business. Financial statements made by financial accounting in the interim report of firms all business work, but financial position and profitability which are shown in it is not fully true. Means internal report means what? In the business, internal situation means only internal position of the business shown by the financial accounting. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला सांगता येईल की इंटरिम पोझिशन किंवा इंटरिम रिपोर्ट म्हणजे काय, व्यवसायाच्या अंतर्गत नफा किती आहे, तोटा किती आहे, ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स कोणते आहे, खरेदी किती आहे, विक्री कोणती आहे, प्रोडक्ट किती आहे, सेलिंग प्राईस किती आहे, असं इंटरिम फक्त व्यवसायाच्या आतमधलाच सगळं रेकॉर्ड ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स करण्याचं काम हे फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग करत असतं. प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी वगैरे किती आहे हे फक्त दाखवण्याचं काम आपलं बिझनेस करतं, फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग करत असतं. पण बऱ्याच वेळा हे ट्रू असेलच असं आपल्याला सांगता येत नाही. ड्यू टू adopting cost concept, all transactions are recorded on it real cost but by changing in the time. Means what? In cost accounting we record or cost concepts, we adopt cost concepts. So all transactions are recorded on it real cost. Real cost means what? Suppose transaction happened in the last month. So what is expenditure or cost of the last month? That real time cost charged or record in the cost concepts. It is the need of time to adjust cost of assets and liabilities according to inflation of markets. inflation in the market, because of inflation in the market, change price of the assets or liabilities. म्हणजेच काय, मार्केटमध्ये इन्फ्लेशन म्हणजे त्याला आपण म्हणतो की तेजी असेल मंदी असेल अशा वातावरणामुळे किंवा अशा सायकलमुळे, इकॉनॉमिक सायकलमुळे काय होतंय की आपल्या असेटचे किंवा लायबिलिटीचे काय होत आहेत, किमती कमी जास्त होत आहे. सो बिकॉज फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग डज नॉट रेकॉर्ड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू इन्फ्लेशन, सो इट्स रिझल्ट डज नॉट शो ट्रू पोझिशन ऑफ बिझनेस. म्हणजे फिनान्शियल स्टेटमेंट्समध्ये, फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंगमध्ये काय केलं जातं की एखाद्या प्रोडक्टची किंवा एखाद्या ॲसेटची किंवा लायबिलिटीची जी प्राईस आहे ती ओल्डच रेकॉर्ड केली जाते, की जी इन्फ्लेशनमध्ये कमी किंवा जास्त झालेली असेल ती फिनान्शियल स्टेटमेंटमध्ये दाखवली जात नाही. सो दिस प्राईस ऑर दिस अमाऊंट मे बी नॉट ट्रू, मे बी नॉट शो ट्रू पोझिशन ऑफ द बिझनेस. म्हणजे फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंगमध्ये ओल्ड अमाऊंट रेकॉर्ड केली जाते, प्राईस रेकॉर्ड केली जाते. इन्फ्लेशन किंवा डिफ्लेशनमुळे चेंज झालेली प्राईस रेकॉर्ड केली जात नाही आहे. त्याच्यामुळं आपली बिझनेसची पोझिशन बऱ्याच वेळा फिनान्शियल स्टेटमेंटमुळे खरी किंवा ट्रू दाखवली जात नाही. नंबर 5, इनकम्प्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ कॉस्ट. फ्रॉम कॉस्ट पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू, आता व्हॉट इज मीन बाय कॉस्ट? कॉस्ट इज अ काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर incurred for manufacturing of product or giving services to the customer. So cost is a kind of expenditure of inputs of the product or services. So from cost point of view, financial accounting is incomplete. Means financial accounting is incomplete. This is not complete. In financial accounting, accountant does not calculate each and every product's total cost. In the last limitations, we have seen that financial accounting shows only overall performance of the business. Financial accounting does not show each product profitability, each product loss, each product efficiency. So financial accounting shows only overall performance of the business. So therefore, financial accounting fails to calculate each product's total cost. So financial accounting does not help to determine the price of product of the business. Each product cost, this cost cannot calculate by financial accounting. Financial accounting calculates only total cost of the overall business. So financial accounting fails to calculate, financial accounting not help or fails to calculate each product price or each product cost of the business. So each product cost is most important, through which we can find out which product is efficient, which product is profitable, which product is not profitable. So financial accounting fails to calculate or determine price of the each product of the business. Number 6, no provision of cost control. Financial accounting calculates only business performance, only business profit or loss. Financial accounting not given some techniques or methods for controlling of the cost. Financial accounting does not help business organization for controlling the cost. What is meant by control cost? Control cost means, suppose product cost in the last month is rupees 100, but in current month that cost increased by rupees 10. So we need to control over cost of the product because our product cost increased by rupees 10. This is called as cost of control. So this in cost accounting, some techniques or some methods, some process for controlling of the cost of the product. But in financial accounting, there are no any kind of process techniques for control of cost because there is no provision of controlling cost in it. Means financial accounting, there is no any kind of provision or techniques process for controlling of cost. In financial accounting, we write cost. If we paid any expenses, thus there is no provision of improvement of financial accounting. Means financial accounting, in financial accounting what happen, we write cost, we record cost if any amount paid for expenses. Thus there is no provision of improvement in financial accounting. Except this, there is no any other way to inspect all expenses. Means financial accounting does not inspect all expenses related with which product. This analysis not given by financial accounting. Number 7, financial statements are affected from personal judgment. Personal judgment means what? Suppose there are two persons, A and B. Judgment of A and judgment of B may be different. Many events of financial statements are affected from personal judgment of accountant. Method of calculating depreciation, rate of provision of doubtful debts, and stock valuation method are decided by accountant. Means, according first accountant, depreciation method may be different, and second accountant, depreciation may be different. Rate of provision for doubtful debts may be different according accountant to accountant. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये व्यक्तीनुसार काय होतंय बरं, अकाउंटिंगचे मेथड असेल, डिप्रिशिएशनचे मेथड कोणत्या वापरायच्या, RDD कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा, स्टॉकचं व्हॅल्युएशन कसं करायचं, स्टॉकचं व्हॅल्युएशन करताना कोणती मेथड वापरायची, ह्या सगळ्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत तर त्या व्यक्ती वाईज किंवा पर्सनल वाईज काय होऊ शकतात, बदलू शकतात. एक व्यक्ती वेगळी मेथड वापरेल, दुसरा व्यक्ती मेथड वेगळी वापरेल. पण हे मेथड वेगळे वापरल्यामुळे सुद्धा डिप्रिशिएशनचा अमाऊंट असेल, स्टॉक व्हॅल्युएशनचा अमाऊंट असेल, RDD अमाऊंट असेल, ह्या नक्कीच बदलू शकतात. सो financial accounting, while we preparing financial statements, some items of expenditure or some items of income have different methods. So different accountant using different method, and also valuation of these expenditures or incomes may be different. Thus financial statements do not show true and fair view of the business. So financial accounting fails to show true and fair view of the business. Number 9, no classification of expenses. According financial accounting, there is no system for classification of expenses. It does not classify expenses as direct and indirect or fixed and variable. In cost accounting, we can classify expenses: direct expenditure, indirect expenditure, fixed expenditure, variable expenditure, semi-variable expenditure, controllable expenditure, uncontrollable expenditure, normal expenditure, abnormal expenditures. Means cost accounting have some techniques, or in cost accounting we can classify our expenses into different categories, but financial accounting don't have any kind of system who classify expenses. Besides, these are also not allocated to different stages of production or department or processes to show the controllable and uncontrollable items on overhead cost. Means in financial accounting there is no system for allocation of different expenditures allocated to different stages of the production or different departments. But in cost accounting have system. In this cost accounting system we can allocate, we can absorb, we can divide expenditure into different products or in different departments. We seen personal judgment affected on selecting of methods for depreciation, for RDD, for valuation of stock. So according personal judgment, these methods can be changed, and this method change automatically amount of the depreciation RDD changed. Number 8, no detailed information about cost. Means financial accounting fails to provide detailed information about cost. Means how much expenditure incurred for material, how much expenditure incurred for labor, how much expenditure incurred for other expenses. This detailed information not provided by financial accounting. Financial accounting provides information as a whole in terms of income, expenses, assets and liability. Means financial accounting provides information only income, expenditures, assets and liability. It does not provide detail of cost involved by departments, processes, products, services or other unit of activity within the organization. Means financial accounting provides only total amount of income, total amount of expenses, but financial accounting does not provide department cost, department wise cost, each process how much expenditure we incurred, each product how much expenditure we incurred, each service how much amount we paid, and other activity within the organizations. Detailed information related with cost cannot provided by financial accounting, but this information provided by cost accounting. Number 9, no classification of expenses. Means financial accounting not classify expenses. For example, direct expenses, indirect expenses, we already this point we considered. So financial accounting does not classify expenditures like cost accounting. Number 10, not useful in price fixation. In a profitable business, for increasing efficiency or profitability of the business, we must have to decide fixed price or decide price of the product. But fixing selling price of the product, we have information about cost of the product. After considering cost of the product, we can easily deciding selling price of the product. So financial accounting does not provide adequate or sufficient data or information for fixing of price of the product. It does not provide adequate or sufficient cost information for fix of the price of the product manufactured and service rendered by the organization. Before deciding selling price of the product or services, we must have information about cost of the product or cost of the service. After considering cost, then we are able to fixing of selling price. But without information of the cost of the product, we cannot or we are unable to deciding selling price of the product. ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला प्रोडक्टची कॉस्ट प्राईस माहिती असेल ना, उत्पादन खर्च माहिती असेल ना, तरच आपण त्याची सेलिंग प्राईस ठरवू शकतो. ज्यावेळेस आपल्या सर्व्हिस आपण जी प्रोव्हाइड करतो त्याची कॉस्ट प्राईस जर आपल्याला माहिती असेल तरच आपण त्याची सेलिंग प्राईस ठरवू शकतो, नाही का? तरच आपण हे सगळं करू शकतो. जर आपल्याकडे कॉस्ट प्राईसच नाही आहे तर आपण सेलिंग प्राईस नक्कीच ठरवू शकत नाही. सो देअरफॉर financial accounting does not helping for fixing of selling price of the product. Number 11, no analysis of losses. Suppose there are some expenditure or some losses incurred in the business. What is reason behind that losses? That analysis not provided by financial accounting. It does not provide detailed information about the reasons of the losses. Means financial accounting only record loss, but what is reason behind that loss? That information unable provided by the financial accounting, not able by the financial accounting. It also does not help to determine the variations in the cost between different working times. Means financial accounting not helping or not help for finding out the variations, the difference in the cost between different working times. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये सांगता येईल की वर्किंग टाईममध्ये जर बदल झाला तर कॉस्टमध्ये काय बदल होतो, व्हेरिएशन काय होतं आहे, हे काही कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग सांगू शकत नाही, त्याच्याविषयी माहीत सांगू शकत नाही. आयडल टाईम अँड सीजनल कंडिशन्स ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. आयडल टाईम मीन्स वॉट? आयडल टाईम इज अ टाईम इन विच प्रोडक्शन ॲक्टिव्हिटी मे बी स्टॉप्ड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, स्टॉपेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, पॉवर सप्लाय स्टॉपेज, देअरफॉर production activity also stoppage. So the time in which our production activity stopped, that time is called as idle time. ज्यावेळेस आपलं प्रोडक्शन स्टॉप झालेलं असतं त्यावेळेस आपण आयडल टाईम असं म्हणतो. सीजनल कंडिशन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. देर आर सम प्रोडक्ट which having more demand in particular season and less demand in particular season. So this analysis, this information not provided by financial accounting, because financial accounting not calculate each product profitability, each product sale. सर याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला सांगता येईल की काही प्रोडक्ट हे काही सीझनमध्ये जास्त विकले जातात, काही सीझनमध्ये कमी विकले जातात, पण याची इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंगच देऊ शकतं, फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग देऊ शकत नाही. कारण फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग फक्त काय करतं की ओव्हरऑल रेकॉर्ड मेंटेन करण्याचं काम करतं. तर प्रत्येक प्रोडक्टचं रेकॉर्ड मेंटेन करण्याचं काम, कॉस्ट कॅल्क्युलेट करण्याचं काम फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग करत नाही. नंबर 12, नो डेटा फॉर कंपॅरिझन. मीन्स it does not provide data to facilitate compare of costs of operation of the firm with other firm in the industry. एकाच इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये अनेक कंपन्या असतात, एका कंपनीची कॉस्ट दुसऱ्या कंपनीच्या कॉस्टची आपण जर कंपॅरिझन केली तर नक्कीच आपल्याला कळेल की कुठं आपली कॉस्ट इन्क्रीज होते किंवा कमी होते. पण फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग काय करत नाही, प्रत्येक प्रोडक्टची किंवा प्रत्येक सर्व्हिसची कॉस्ट कॅल्क्युलेट करत नाही. त्याच्यामुळे आपण एका आपल्या कंपनीच्या प्रोडक्टच्या कॉस्टची दुसऱ्या कंपनीच्या प्रोडक्टच्या कॉस्टची आपण कंपॅरिझन करू शकत नाही. तर हा एक त्याची मर्यादा आहे फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंगची. सो फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग डज नॉट हेल्प फॉर कंपॅरिझन ऑफ आवर प्रोडक्ट and other companies or competitors product. That comparison possible only when we have information about detailed information about cost of the product or cost of the services. Then we can compare our cost with other company cost. So these are some limitations of financial accounting. So cost accounting is developed from within the accounting process to overcome the limitations of financial accounting. So there is need of subject, that subject is cost accounting. There are some limitations of financial accounting, that limitations can be avoided through cost accounting. For completing or compensating that limitations, we have cost accounting, and it helps in calculating, controlling and reducing cost. Means cost accounting is a kind of subject which is used for completing of or compensating of limitations of financial accounting. Through cost accounting, we can calculate cost of the product, means what is amount we spent for material, what is amount we spent for labor, and what is amount we spent for other expenditures. These all expenditures collectively we added, and then we get cost of that product. So we cannot calculate cost of the product through financial accounting, and calculation of the product cost possible only through cost accounting. We cannot control, we can reduce cost of the product through financial accounting, but cost accounting have some techniques, cost accounting have some methods through which we can control over cost or reducing over the cost of the product. So this is the limitations. There are some 12 points which are given in this recording